What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our day in Orange County. I have our IT machine here warming up. Hopefully I don't need it, but I also have one of our GMCs here and I need to throw this 10-foot Fisher plow on it. We are having an issue with this pump, which is why I have the loader warming up, because if I do need to use it, I don't want to sit here and waste time. But hopefully it's the power angle part of the pump that's not working, and I can drive in, connect it, and at least lift the plow up. If it is the up and down that's not working, then I'm gonna use the loader, lift it up, and then chain it up just so I can drive it down to our main shop. We have quite a bit of work to do on this truck. It has a check engine light, it has an ABS light, and it has a brake light, and it also has a small oil leak. So I want to hook it right around here, try and just lift this up, and we'll readjust the height of it. Keep that short. Yeah, lock that there. Yeah, a little bit slack. All right. I'm gonna adjust it. Pretty close. I'm gonna go up a hair, slide this block under this piece here. Yeah, right there. Good? Yeah. It up while you drive in. Gotta come forward. Nice and easy. That way a little bit. That way. Alright, come on in. Yep. Straight in. You're coming. Nice. All right guys, so we got the plow on, and it luckily was the power angle that isn't working, but look at this. I'm just pulling it by hand, so obviously there's a big issue here. But it's a good thing I had that loader warmed up, because we needed to lift it up a little and block it up higher in order to get it in the pockets. But time to hop in this, and hopefully we make it down to our shop with no issues. All right guys, so we made it down to our shop here. This truck, I'm just checking the mileage on it right now, 166,000 miles. But like I said, we have a check engine light. The battery light is only on because it's just running, or it's auxiliary on and it's not running. We have an ABS light, and we also have a brake light here. This thing does not stop beeping at you while you're riding or driving. It'll beep the entire way, so I listened to this the whole way down here. But Kevin's about to run the code on here, see what comes up. He's also going to check fuses and stuff and see if any of that is popped. There is a lot of corrosion we just found on, you can see it sitting on the leaf spring there, but it was that set of wires there, and also the one under it. But also it is dripping transmission fluid out of this tranny cooler line here, which I just got off the phone with GMC. They're going to order them in for us. They will be here, they said either Monday or Tuesday, so this truck's going to be here for a few days. I'm running right now. I got to go to a plumbing supply store, then I have to go to Costco to pick up some shrimp for Thanksgiving. So let me go pick that stuff up, and then I'll see you guys when I'm back here. All right, I am back at our shop. I picked up a bunch of ductwork here. I got a bunch of 90s, some 8-inch. I got ceiling boxes, and I'm leaving all of this here. This is for our construction crew to take with them on Monday. So I'm gonna open this door and just leave all this in the shop. But I also ran the code on this truck for the check engine lights, and one of them was for the indicator light, the check engine indicator light. It says it's like a faulty light, so that's no big deal. The other code was a cylinder 6, like I think it said coil pack. So I cleared it. If it comes back, then we'll address it. Right now, Rodrigo is working on a new hydraulic pump, which is going over in this toolbox here. He's just looking for some fittings, but you can see right here we have this brand new pump. We actually have this pump in another truck, so it works great. We ended up picking this up for this one. So he's working on that. That's going to be the project for today, and I think he might work Friday and finish this up. He also has to pull this sander off. We are no longer using this sander on this truck. This is going to go on our F600. So you guys saw the video on that one. Brand new truck we just picked up. We're going to install this salt spreader on that. And this will just become a spare truck pretty much. In case something happens during the storm, they have another plow truck. It'll only have a plow on it. They can take that out. We stopped at H.O. Penn this morning and picked up the new pedal assembly for that wheel loader that we were looking at yesterday afternoon. Well, yesterday? No, I think it was 2 days ago we were looking at this. So we got this. We just got to get down there and get this installed. That'll probably happen one day next week, I believe Tuesday. On Monday we are heading up to Orange County. That wheel loader is gonna be done on Monday. We are putting that all back together, completely painted, sandblasted, a whole nine, everything is done. They said that the heater that we brought there was working wonderful for them. So hopefully there's no more issues from now until then and we can get it all put back together. But besides that, we're pretty much just waiting on parts so we can finish this up. We'll at least get the pump done, but we need those tranny cooler lines, and then hopefully we can get this truck back up to Orange County and call it a day. But I think that is gonna wrap it up for this one. Me and Kevin are about to head out of here soon. We gotta run to a store on our way home and pick up some other stuff for the construction crew, which I will be leaving upstate at our Dutchess yard. They can grab it from there. So we got to get on the road and get there before they close. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, real quick, I'll give you a sneak peek of this truck. I am going to make a full video on this, but as you can see, it is no longer green, besides this one piece here, which still needs to be painted, and this piece here, which needs to be painted. So this truck looks very nice and white. If you haven't noticed by now, my father likes most of his trucks in white. Pretty much all of them, except a couple now, are white. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.